Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll explore one of the coolest sensors for Arduino, the ultrasonic distance sensor. It uses sound waves to measure how far objects are, just like a bat. Let's see how it works and how to connect it with Arduino. To get started, you'll need an Arduino board, like Uno or Nano, an ultrasonic sonar sensor, a few jumper wires, and a breadboard. Now let's wire it up. The ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins. The VCC pin goes to 5 volts on Arduino, GND to ground, trig to digital pin 9, and echo to digital pin 10. That's it. Make sure all the connections are solid. Here's a simple code to get the distance readings in centimeters. Upload the code, open the serial monitor, and move your hand in front of the sensor. You'll see the distance in centimeters. This sensor is great for obstacle-avoiding robots, parking sensors, mini radar system, and more. In my next videos, I'll integrate it with different modules and sensors to build advanced projects. So, stay connected with my channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.